Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Welcome back to my another brand new video. Hopefully, all are doing great. I'm also doing great by the omnipotent Almighty Allah. Today, we are gonna arrange a party. In this party, we are going to cook delicious food, which is called biryani. It's one of the most popular and delicious food in my country. There are a lot of people who loves to eat this kind of food. One of my friends who is really good at cooking. Now I want to talk about how to cook with my friends. Let's go. Today we are gonna cook biryani with chicken. You can see it's really looking incredible and delicious. Take it. Please come. You can see there is a cooker. He's really good at cooking. Actually, he don't know how to speak in English. That's why I have to talk with him in my mother tongue, which is Bengali. বন্ধু, তুমি এই রান্না কাজে কতদিন ধরে নিয়ে যেত বলতে এটা ছোট থেকে আর কি ভালো লাগে।
ছোট থেকে ভালো লাগে, যার কারণে হ্যাঁ একটু একটু করে শেখা। এখন একটু যাই হোক, এটা আমার আর কি ভালো একটা দিক, ভালো লাগে দেখে। যে সময় ছুটির সময় বাসা বাড়িতেও আমি আর কি রান্না বান্না করতে ভালোবাসি।
That's great. So কতদিন যাবত তুমি এটা কাজ করো?
অনুমানিক তাও 7-8 বছর ধরে।
Oh, it's a really long time. I asked you, how long have you been cooking this kind of food? He told me that he has been cooking this kind of food for 7 years. So you can think about that. It's a really long time.
আমি করি কি কি তুমি কও খালি
I would like to ask another question to my friends. From where have you learned this kind of cooking? তুমি এই ধরনের কাজ, এই ধরনের রান্না কাজ কই থেকে শিখছো?
এটা আসলে নিজের থেকেই শেখা আর কি। মানে বাড়িতে রান্না বান্না দেখে, অনেক জায়গায় আছে বড় বড় অনুষ্ঠান হয়, সেখানে রান্না বান্না হয়, ওই জায়গায় দেখে আস্তে আস্তে শেখা।
That's great. He told me that he has learned this kind of cook himself. That's great. You can see, I would like to show you this flavor. It looks mouth-watering. It looks delicious. Wow. Now I'm gonna talk with my another friend who is attend in this party. বন্ধু, কেমন আছো?
জি ব্রাদার, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, ইনশাল্লাহ অনেক ভালো আছি।
তো তোমরা আজকে এখানে কি করতেছো?
আজকে আমরা এখানে আসা 16 ডিসেম্বর উপলক্ষে একটা বিরিয়ানির আয়োজন করা হয়েছে। তাই প্রাকৃতিক দৃশ্যের ভিতরে অনুভূতিটা অনেক ভালো লাগতেছে আমার কাছে। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ অনেক ভালো লাগতেছে পরিবেশটা।
Okay, that's great. He told us that he is going to enjoy this party in this time. It's a really amazing day. It's really wonderful. It's a really beautiful time for us. At the end of video, I would like to tell you, if you are English learner like me, until I tried to practice how to speak in English in front of the people. If you can speak in front of the people or in the public place, definitely you will be able to remove your shyness, your hesitation and fear. So don't be afraid to speak in front of the people. If you want to be good at speaking, you must have to speak in front of the people. Keep practicing until you are good at speaking. All the best.